Hey, my name is Azim, and I'm a 17-year-old machine learning and virtual reality developer. We've all seen superhero movies where the film takes place in an alternate environment, or sat in a race car simulator at an arcade. However, we've never been able to truly experience and interact with the environment. Well, virtual reality changes all of this. Virtual reality is a three-dimensional, computer-generated environment which can be explored and interacted with by the user. This is a project that I built in virtual reality using the Unity VR engine for the Google Cardboard. It's a basketball game where the objective is for the user to score the most number of points without missing a single shot. This is the experience of the user. As you can see, there is a hardwood court similar to that of a real-life basketball court. To create these 3D objects, such as the basketball hoop, and the court, I used a 3D design software called Blender. I chose to work with Blender to create the most immersive and real-feeling experience for the user. With Blender's software, I was able to create 3D objects without too much hassle and implement them as assets in Unity software. So going back to the game now, the objective of the game once again is for the user to score the most number of points without missing a single shot. The player is able to do this by positioning the pointer in the middle of the screen towards the location at which they want to shoot the ball at. To make this game a little bit more complex, I decided to generate the position of the hoop to be random after the previous shot. This way, it keeps the game interesting and adds a level of complexity. Also, I programmed the game in order to follow the laws of physics. And so this way, the user has to keep into consideration the force of gravity when firing his shot. I also added a feature for the user to choose how much power they would like to shoot the ball with. And so this way, the game can be played from multiple distances from the hoop. This may add a level of complexity, however, it makes the game experience a lot more immersive. In order to keep score for every time the ball went into the net, I set up boundaries around the basketball and the basketball hoop. And so this way, when the ball came in contact with the hoop and their boundaries interacted, the score increased by 1. To make this game a little interesting, I decided to randomly generate the position of the basketball hoop in relation to the previous position. This way, the game becomes more fun and is also a challenge for the user. This project is an example of one of the many things that you can do with virtual reality. VR can be used in so many industries, such as healthcare and job training. In healthcare, it's being used for Alzheimer's treatment, especially reminiscence therapy, to create a more personalized treatment plan for the patient. I'm really excited about the future of VR, and I hope to share with you my future projects.